Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to talk about DNB PDCET 2025 counseling. We will know about the counseling schedule, counseling process, how we can help you here, what are the different packages that we are offering, how you can check closing rank for the last year. Fee is going to be the same, stipend bound, seat matrix, how you can predict your possible colleges, government DNB institute, private DNB institutes, okay. How to know in which order to fill the choices, which are the different documents required, how is the counseling process, okay. And what sort of documents required, which branches you are eligible for, okay. Some important points about the counseling. So pretty much we are going to cover mostly everything related to counseling in this video. If you are new here and you have given this examination for PDCET, post diploma common interest test, when you join after PG diploma course, then you go for this examination in order to join directly secondary DNB, okay. So all the courses here are DNB courses. In case you want our services, you can call directly on 9319128677. WhatsApp is also available on this number. So first of all, starting with the schedule. So schedule just got published yesterday. 2 rounds are officially mentioned here, but depending on the seat availability after completion of first 2 rounds, the government NB will decide to conduct third round. Last year, as I tell you, third round happened, so totally 3 rounds happened. How this counseling is happening? Like PG, unlike PG, there is no state quota, there is no state level counseling. The whole counseling process for each and every seat gets conducted on NB platform. And what is the URL where you can access where you can do all the registration form filling and choice filling? counselling.nb.edu.in. okay. Right now the registration has not started. Registration will start from 8th of May. You have 5 days of time up to 12th of May. Then your allotment process will take place on 13th. On 14th you will have the result for the first round, okay. After the result, they give you option to accept and freeze or just accept, and then you are eligible for upgradation. You have to pay online fee of 1,25,000, which is same for all the courses offered by NB. After you download the allotment letter, when you pay the fee, they will give you option to download the allotment letter. With the allotment letter and other set of documents, you have to reach to the institute physically in order to report it, and then the formalities will be conducted on their own online portal, okay. So what sort of certificates you require during the registration? During registration of this application, which will be starting on 8th for the counseling, you need MBBS degree, you need your postgraduate diploma medical qualification pass certificate, and you need permanent registration certificate issued by state authority or national authority MCI. You need proof of having passed the postgraduate diploma final year examination. Since you are pursuing the diploma course, so exit test will be there, which will be conducted by NB. So you should have passed that final examination. You need to submit a screenshot, which you can find on the official website, that your institute postgraduate diploma medical qualification is recognized by NMC, and then matriculation intermediate certificates for date of birth proof. If you are coming under any category certificate for SC, ST, PWD, OBC, EWS, okay. Government ID and other relevant certificates in case you are in service candidate. Okay, so there are totally 15 subjects, okay, in this counseling. If you have completed diploma in anesthesia, you'll go for anesthesia. Those who have completed diploma in dermatology, they'll go for DNB dermatology. Diploma in family medicine, they will go for family medicine. Diploma in nuclear medicine, they'll go for nuclear medicine. Those who have completed DGO, they will go for DNB OBGY. Diploma in ophthalmology will go for ophthalmology. Likewise, all the branches. So first round will be conducted as per the schedule. This is the schedule. From 8th until 19th is the last date of reporting, from 14th to 9th. And the second round is going to get conducted from 23rd to 26th, choice filling. See, the choice filling will happen in first round and second round, okay? But the registration will be happening in the first round itself, okay? Only single point of registration is the first round. If you don't do registration in the first round, you are not allowed to register again in any further round. So first round will get conducted, then second round, and after that they will assess based on the seat availability. They will go for the mop-up round or not. So process is simple. First registration, seat matrix is already published, then choice filling, choice locking is also important. Then the allotment process will happen. You will get the allotment. Once you get the allotment, you need to log in and do all the process of acceptance, fee payment, downloading the allotment letter. Then you need to visit the institute physically with all set of documents for reporting, and then you can go for further round in case you have selected for upgradation. Okay, so no state level counseling, single platform of counseling, that is on NB. Before 2021, okay, 2020 or before, for after PG examination also, if you were interested to take DNB seats, there was a separate platform for conducting the DNB counseling. That was also happening on this NB platform. So registration is only possible in round 1. There are reservations, but the reserved seats are very few because it will be available only in the government colleges. In the further video, I will give analysis about the seat matrix, how it is different from last year. Few seats are removed, okay, and the number of total seats is lesser in comparison with the last year. Okay, registration fee is wrongly typed here. 25,000 is 2,500. Okay, upgradation is allowed till round 2 only. Who are eligible for round 2? Those who do not accept and freeze the option, okay, they are eligible for round 2. Even you have accepted and frozen it, but you fail to deposit the tuition fee by the deadline date, still you are eligible for the round 2. Okay, but in any case you have taken the seat, okay, you are not eligible for mop-up round. So that's all. For all the details and all, okay, you can visit this neetmentor.co.in and you can access to this detail, notification and updates, seat matrix, choice filling, and any notification will be updated over here. You can check last year cutoff. You can check the bond stipend, fee details, seat matrix, and eligibility rules, documents. You can predict your colleges. Okay, so those first 2 packages will not allow you to call us, okay, but in the third package you get full call support until the counseling ends. So whoever is interested, they can contact us. I'll publish next video on the seat matrix analysis, and please subscribe this channel because you will be getting full, useful and informative video at the regular interval. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.